Good afternoon, my friends. Today I'm at the Martyrs Memorial. The Martyrs Memorial. Okay, this is the monument that was built and inaugurated in 1982. It was designed by our Algerian architect Rachid Ben Yillis and built in order to commemorate the the memory of the 1.5 million people who died during the Algerian Liberation War. And I am in the middle of the esplanade of the Martyrs Memorial here. As you can see, it's a vast esplanade. It's a vast place where lots of people can come and visit and have fun, and all by admiring this huge architectural structure, the Martyrs Memorial. So this memorial is probably the highest and one of the largest in the world. It's 92 meters high, and it was inaugurated in 1982 in order to commemorate the 20th anniversary of Algeria's independence. So Algeria got its independence in 1962 after 132 years of French colonization and French atrocities as well, and French injustice. And now this is to celebrate the 1.5 million Algerians that died during the Liberation War between 1954 and 1962. So underneath that huge monument, there is the Museum of the Moudjahid. Okay, so what we call Moudjahid here in Algeria is a fighter, an independence fighter, an Algerian, any Algerian who actively took part in the Algerian War of Independence. And now you can see here Diar El Mahsoul. This is an apartment complex called Diar El Mahsoul. You can see it here. These are small apartments, in fact, and they were built, I think, in the 1950s. Okay. And those are stairs that lead to the central part of Almatania, the Almatania neighborhood or Almatania municipality. And here, that structure, that wonderful, beautiful structure, is the Central Museum of the Army. It's the Central Museum of the Army, one of Algeria's largest museums, and you can find there artifacts, lots of interesting artifacts about Algeria's history since prehistory, from prehistory to modern days. Okay, so there are lots of interesting objects, lots of things to see. I guarantee that you will have fun, visiting that museum. If you like museums and you would like to learn things about Algeria's history, so it's very interesting to visit that museum. I think that it's one of the best that I've ever visited. And you can see here all those tarps on the ground, because there is every weekend, I think, there are some bouncy castles that they inflate here in order to attract people to this area, to this place, because in fact this is a compound. This is a compound, with lots of things to see, lots of things to visit, and the area here, by the way, here it's we are in the neighborhood of Madania or Salembier, and in fact, you can see the ride over there. Okay, and the merry-go-round, and in fact, what's cool here in this area is that every weekend lots of people come here, lots of families to have fun, and there is a mall. There is a mall right there. So I'm going to film it for you, and lots of stores to visit, although it's relatively more expensive than the usual stores. But anyways, there are cafes, there are restaurants, there are pizza parlors, there are ice cream parlors, and everything you would like to visit. And all right, so this is, okay, I'm going to do like this, and this is the mall. Okay, here you can see the mall, the Riadh El Feth Mall. Okay, with lots of stores, and there are even movie theaters, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if they have reopened or not. And okay, this is where I sometimes bring my kids. Okay, and well, there are bookstores. I like to visit those bookstores that, you know, they have here, and there are some clothing stores and everything. And it's you know, a place where people come to have fun, and I really like it. So the place here is in the higher parts of Algiers, and it also overlooks the you know, the Algiers Bay. So there is a place right behind that monument over there, that memorial, that you can visit, and from where you can admire a wonderful view of Algiers and the Algiers Bay, the sea. Okay. So I think that I have filmed pretty much everything. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button in order to receive any notifications on my channel and my new videos. Take care of yourselves, and goodbye.